Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix Perplexity AI login issues. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the Perplexity AI website or app for that matter. And if you're facing a login issue, make sure that you enter the username and email and password and make sure that is correct, right? Double check for typos and ensure the correct case for letters. You can click your avatar icon at the top, or you could just log out, right? And if you're facing that issue, I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. Click sign in. Let's say, for example, you sign in with email and let's say password, right? I'm going to enter, let's say, an email right here and gmail.com, right? Hit continue and enter the code manually, right? Check your email for any new update, right? And enter the code manually so you can log in with that code, right? And basically reset the code, resend the code manually, right? Ask for Perplexity to send the code so you can basically use the option to log in to your platform, to your Perplexity. And what you're going to do next, if the problem persists, go to the settings, general, and then iPhone storage, and then clear cache. Make sure that you search for Perplexity. Make sure that you clear cache, offload the app. If by offloading the app, you're going to delete some of the unnecessary data or files from within the app, okay? And if the problem persists, what you're going to do, swipe down to your control center and make sure that you're using a powerful connection. And if you don't have a powerful connection, wireless connection, use the cellular data in order for this to work out. Next, what you're going to do, go to stay in the general, scroll a little bit down, make sure that you disable any VPN, make sure that you disable any VPN or device management. If you turn on the VPN or firewall, make sure that you disable it, right? As these can sometimes block login attempts, okay? And if the problem persists, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and go use the Perplexity AI website for now and make sure that you log in with the same credentials. So if the problem persists and you want to, use the Perplexity AI and you can't log in with your credentials, you can use Perplexity without the need to log in and retry it from the website again, and hopefully that works. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.